Then came the day of unleavened bread, on which the Passover lamb had to be sacrificed. So Jesus sent Peter and John, saying, "Go and prepare the Passover for us, that we may eat it." They said to him, "Where will you have us prepare it?" He said to them, "Behold, when you have entered the city, a man carrying a jar of water will meet you. Follow him into the house which he enters. And tell the householder, the teacher says to you, where is the guest room, where I am to eat the Passover with my disciples? And he will show you a large upper room furnished, there make ready." And they went, and found it as he had told them, and they prepared the Passover.